Hi everyone, I'm Colleen and this is Nate. We're Navigate with Colleen and Nate, where we share our travel adventures. We are a couple who love to travel, explore new places, and have fun along the way. Join us as we show you the best spots, where to eat, and tips and tricks for your next vacation. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to navigate your world.
Hey everyone, this week we're setting sail for top-tier wellness on Celebrity Beyond with Aqua Class. We'll show you the amazing amenities included in your Aqua Class stateroom, then take you on a sneak peek of Blue, the exclusive restaurant featuring healthy, mouth-watering meals. Plus, get ready to unwind at the incredible thermal spa, all included with Aqua Class. Stay tuned for the full tour and see how Aqua Class elevates your Celebrity Beyond experience. All right, navigators, well, welcome back to Navigate with Colleen and Nate. I'm obviously Nate. Colleen is actually behind the camera this evening. Say hello, Colleen.
Hi, navigators! Surprise!
And we're actually staying on board the beautiful Celebrity Beyond, and we're actually in an accessible Aqua Class stateroom. And I think a lot of people are kind of confused, like, what is this Aqua Class? So if you're that person, you're trying to figure out, hey, should I book an Aqua Class room? Should I not book an Aqua Class cabin? This is the video for you. So first of all, let's talk about the room. The room is like every other standard room, right? So we're in an infinite veranda, we're an accessible one. But again, if you're staying in Aqua Class, you're not gonna have a different room class. The only difference would be there's like a suite class version of the Aqua Class where it's obviously gonna be a little bigger room, but for the most part, most Aqua Class people are staying in here. So let's talk about what you get. So the first thing is you get some in-room amenities, all right? So first thing is slippers, lovely celebrity slippers. These are yours to take because nobody wants to use used slippers. Next thing is beautiful yoga mats. So if you want to get your stretching on, hypothetically, you can order some other equipment to be sent to your room. I actually ordered a couple things just to see if it would show up, and it didn't, but I do have 2 yoga mats. So if you want to get your stretch on, you can do that. Next thing is 2 sets of robes as well too, so very nice. These you cannot keep. If you keep these, there will be some type of charge, and I'm sure it will be quite excessive, so don't do that. Binoculars, so if you're somewhere and you want to go sightseeing, again, some binoculars. And finally, for you to borrow are a couple umbrellas. So again, if you're staying in Aqua Class, some things that you don't have to pack with you. Now, I haven't really found a need for an umbrella, but maybe like on an Alaska trip or something like that, these might come in handy. So next, we're gonna head into the bathroom. All right, and here is C.O. Bigelow, right? So you actually get some upgraded lotions and shampoos. There's a bar of soap, but you can see here, some really nice, really shoved in there body wash. Oh, it's having a hard time focusing this evening. Yeah, there's some body wash, some conditioner, and shampoo. So you get those upgraded amenities.
So as Nate just showed you all of the in-room amenities, we're gonna go check out one of my favorite amenities, which is dining at Blue. So come along. Right now we're gonna go have dinner, but we're gonna show you a few meals along the way of our 8-day trip on Celebrity Beyond. So we have just sat down at Blue, and just to give you a little background, so Blue is obviously with the Aqua Class, the specialty dining, but what they offer is more of a clean eating. So you're gonna find on the menu a lot more like fish, lighter fare, not a lot of heavy sauces. So really excited to dine here and take you along on this adventure.
So one of the things we just found out from the waiter is not only can you get what's available here on the Blue menu, but also you can order off, I think it's one of the main dining room menus, but you can get like a New York strip steak, you get a shrimp cocktail, you can get escargot. So if there is something that you like from one of the main dining rooms, just because it's not on the menu, just ask for it.
So one of my most favorite things about sailing on Celebrity is the pastry and the bread. So what they brought to us is a beautiful lavash. We have a baguette and a brown multi-grain bread that had like pumpkin seeds, and it looks amazing.
Now what about the butter on
I
the
was
side?
going to say, as well as we've got a healthy carrot butter, and then a traditional, and then more of a pea butter.
Pea with Parmesan.
Pea with Parmesan butter. So I think we just need to dive in. You know what? Calories, forget it. We'll deal with it when we get home after vacation.
So what do you have there, Colleen?
I have a lovely glass of Malbec. I'm starting off the evening with shrimp cocktail, Caesar salad, and a filet. So figured red wine is perfect for that.
And I am going to try the escargot, which was not on the menu, the blue cheese souffle, and I couldn't resist, had to do a filet mignon as well, with a lovely glass of Malbec. Cheers, navigators. So how are those shrimp cocktail?
Very good. Again, they're not as big as the shrimps that we had at dinner last night, but they are fantastic and a perfect, refreshing way to kind of start the meal. So, love it.
And I just got the souffle. It's wonderful. And it's so funny. I'm like, wait, this isn't escargot. And Colleen's like, you ordered the souffle too. I'm like, duh. So anyways, this is nice. And again, this is one of the Blue signature dishes. Very good, very tasty. Highly recommend. All right, what do you have there, Colleen?
Boring Caesar salad, but you know what? At least when you're cruising, you got to try to get your greens in wherever you can. So why not?
And I have the escargot, which I've had before on Celebrity, and it's always wonderful. So we're going to dig into this. Bon appetit.
So we enjoyed a fantastic dinner, but stay tuned as we enjoy more entrees on Celebrity Beyond.
All right, Colleen, what are you getting there?
You know, it was before I even opened the menu, I said to Nate, I think apple pie a la mode is perfect to kind of close out the evening. Open the menu, it's on there. So I think that's what I'm going to have. How about you, Nate?
I'm going to have some type of dessert. I don't know what it's going to be yet, but I'll let you know once I get it. So we're going to wrap it up here tonight. I went with the chocolate lava cake. Looks absolutely delicious. And now that you've seen what it's like to have dinner at Blue, let's head into tomorrow and have some breakfast.
Good morning, navigators. So as you saw all of the delicious dinner entrees that we just showcased for you, now we're going to take you along to Blue for breakfast. So come along, let's try out all the amazing croissants and pastries and maybe an omelet or two. So they just came around, offered us some coffee as well as some fresh squeezed juices. So I went with, again, the classic orange juice, and Nate is switching it up with a little grapefruit juice. Very nice, fresh, not a lot of pulp, which is not a fan favorite of pulp, but you can tell it's fresh squeezed.
Our lovely waiter just came over. So the one thing about Celebrity Cruises, Colleen mentioned it last night, is the bread is to die for. So Colleen went with the regular croissant this morning, and I went with my favorite, pain au chocolat, or a chocolate croissant as it's better known. Now, not to be a snob, but ever since a long, long time ago I had the opportunity to visit Paris, bread has been ruined for me forever. But this is really, really good, and probably one of the closest things you can get outside of Old Paris. Bonjour.
So the delicious breakfast just arrived. So I went with an omelet with quite a bit of little goodies in there. We've got cheddar cheese, scallions, Virginia ham, and it's basically all made to order. So lots of items, or if you just want a basic cheddar cheese omelet, go for it. And of course, I had to do the triangular hash brown. I don't know if you're a fan of cruising, you know how delicious these hash browns can be. Amazing. It's super delicious. I like a nice kind of fluffier omelet, and that's kind of what we're getting here. But I forgot I also include spinach, because again, you gotta squeeze those greens in where you can while you're cruising.
All right, whoops, let's get that zoomed down a little bit, zoomed in, a little out. All right, and I did the classic Eggs Benedict, one of my favorites, classic cruise favorite, and also did the hash brown on the side, because as Colleen mentioned, you always have to get a hash brown with breakfast. Now I'm gonna do the classic egg cut test. Let's see here. Do we pass? Ooh, I think I'll give that it's pretty good. Pretty good. We'll give that a B+. Actually, it looks a little, I'll give it an A-. There we go. All right, we're gonna enjoy this. Bon appetit.
So we just finished up an amazing breakfast series with you here at Blue. So for now, let's move on to check out the spa within Aqua Class.
All right, everyone. We're gonna head up to the Aqua Spa now. I'm actually doing this old school on my iPhone, so if the footage looks a little weird, that's because of why. Because nobody wants a huge camera in the spa with them. So I'm gonna head on up to 14 and go check out the Aqua Spa. All right, so I just wrapped up some time in the spa. Again, probably the most awkward place I've ever tried to do filming, and just trying to make sure I didn't get anybody in the shots. But anyways, overall it was an interesting experience. Probably the sauna was my favorite. The least favorite was probably there's like a one with a mist, and it was like a infused mist. Honest. I like the showers. They have little different showers, like one that's like, pours down like cold mist, and another one that pours down like hot mist, and another one that pours down like a rain shower. And the chairs were very nice. Overall, it was an interesting experience. So hopefully this gives you a glimpse of what Aqua Class is all about. Is it worth the money? I don't know. You'll have to watch this video and decide. Leave a comment down below. Are you thinking about doing Aqua Class on your next celebrity vacation? If so, let us know and what ship you're going to be sailing on. Until next time, remember to navigate your world.